Hi, welcome to the channel. So, today we will be reviewing a Maxlapter 2000 Magnification microscope. Let's get right into it. This microscope has 3 different magnification levels. As you can see, there's the 40 times, the 4 times, and the 10 times. So these are just all the magnification lenses that are given, and they show whatever that you put right there. So there's 2 powerful lights, one over here that displays light upon the subject, and one underneath that shows it from behind. And there's different colors in this color wheel that you can choose to see it through. There's 2 other things you can do. If you want to see it closer up, you can pull some of this out, and you'll see. And this is basically the max it can go. And then you can see them closer. And if you want, you can also unscrew this and turn it to one side, so if you want to see a particular angle. Yep, so that's basically it. Okay, if you consider subscribing, we'll really appreciate that, and like this video for more tech reviews like this. And we'll see you in the next one. You can also change how bright the light is using this wheel right here. And it adjusts to both of them.